Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so incredibly excited to share this item with you. So this is our next Fold It Club release. Before I even say anything, you have to sign up now if you're not in the Fold It Club. You cannot buy this separately. It is not available on our website. You're not going to see it later. No. Once it's gone from the club, it's gone. So just a heads up on that, because let me just tell you, it is so stinking cute. And I'm not even going to show you the packaging. I'm going to show you the original because ta-da! It is a raccoon Fold It. And let me just tell you, look how adorable it is with that little flower, holding that little flower pot. Now, the Fold It Club not only comes with the shaped card, and let me show you the shaped card die. So I've even given you extra pieces because I wanted to make sure you could design this as quickly and fast and easy as possible. So what do we like to say at the Stamps of Life? Die cut and glue, that's all you need to do, right? And here we go. We have extra little pieces up here for the hands, the feet, and all this good stuff. The part of the flower, the eyes, and let me just tell you, so adorable. Now, it also comes with a handy dandy postcard, right? And it comes with 2 5x7 stencils. Now the stencils are really cool. They are both background stencils this time around. And we have this double heart, which I'm absolutely, isn't that just gorgeous? And then we have this playful, so much fun tic-tac-toe, but with hearts, which I had so much fun designing this one. I'm like, okay, who should win on this one? Who should win on this one? I just had a great time designing that one. Now, and I would say about 70% of our current Fold It Club members also have added on the stamp set. Now, some of those people don't even know we have a stamp set, but yes, there is an add-on option to add on the stamps that match. And it's really important because it has a lot of fun puns, but also it has a mini version of the raccoon and of the flower. Now, the words on here say, it's your birthday, time to get into a little mischief, because raccoons get into mischief. Planting smiles for your special day. You are positively wonderful. Get it? Paw. You're my partner in grime, because raccoons like to go in the trash cans. Friends like you make life bloom, and thanks a pot, because thanks a lot, because it's holding a pot, right? Get it? Get it? I know, it's so fun. I came up with having extra stamps as an add-on, because every time I would get out my Fold It, I didn't necessarily have stamps that matched, and I needed sentiment stamps. So that's kind of how this was born. It is an add-on option, and it is an option. So let's jump in and look at some of our samples, because let me tell you, these little guys are so full of mischief. So here's a cute little guy, hello there, holding a pot with a cute little bow in its hair. Or you could make like a boy version if you wanted, or a fall version. Look at this one. This one even can stand up if you want it to, which I absolutely love. I think it's so cute. Here's another one. And I love how our designers all did the flowers in different colors. So here we have a white flower. We have a yellow flower. Here's a pink flower. Look how cute it is on an A2 card. I love this. See, it can be on an A2 card, which is really fun. Or you can make it a shaped card. Or you could put it on a 5x7 card, or you could put it on a banner. You could also make it a box too, as well, using our box set die. Now, look at how adorable these are. So remember, I'm giving you all the extra pieces, so you just die cut those and glue those on top also. So there's a lot of, a little bit of paper piecing involved if you want to. So easy, so fun, and you know what? Again, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you are going to miss out, because this will not be available on our website. Our Fold It Club, the monthly commitment is only 3 months, so you can sign up and check it out and see everything. But one of the best things about our clubs is you get a 15% discount off of our entire website. Every single time you order, every single item you order, every single day. As long as you're a club member, 15%. So that's like going to our website and having it be on sale every single day. Isn't that fantastic? Now, if you join a couple clubs, then you can get up to 20% off the website. It's absolutely positively amazing. What I need you to do is go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and just watch that video. That's where I go step by step by step on all of the clubs that we have, the extra benefits you get, the freebies you get, the anniversary gift certificates you get, the club points you get, and all the good stuff. Oh, and another thing, Fold It Club members, guess what? There's going to be a special postcard in your shipments with a special little something something on it. It's going to have a special code just for you. So make sure you check out that envelope because there's an extra special postcard in there. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.